Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nashwa, and in today's video, I decided to recreate a 90s look for you guys. I don't know, for the past week, I've been feeling pretty nostalgic. I've just been thinking about 90s fashion, all the color block, the minimalistic makeup, all the TV shows. Comment down below if you guys remember Blossom and Sister Sister, The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Saved by the Bell, all these like great shows. I just miss everything 90s. But nevertheless, I'm rambling too much. If you guys want to see how to achieve a 90s look, hair, makeup, and outfit, the whole shebang, then please keep watching. So first, I'm going in with a moisturizer by Belif. This is a brand in Sephora. It comes in a set of 3. Here is the soap, the serum. You usually apply the serum at night, and the moisturizer, which you can apply in the daytime and under makeup. I'm putting that all over my face. Then I'm applying my Makeup Forever mattifying primer. I also got this at Sephora, and I'm rubbing it all over my face because I am so oily, it's ridiculous. Next, I'm going in with Maybelline's Dream Fresh BB Cream in the shade Light Medium Sheer Tint. Now I am applying the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illumination to mix in with the BB cream to give my skin an all-over glow. I'm blending it all in. I noticed my skin was coming out a bit ashy as I was blending it in, so I decided to go in with L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation in the shade Nude Beige. And now I'm blending it in. Had to hold my ponytail back, it was getting in my way. Now I'm going in with my damp beauty blender. I like using my beauty blender after I apply my foundation with my brush. It helps to blend all of the product seamlessly into my skin. Next, I am going to the brows. I usually brush my brow hairs up before I pencil them in. I am using the MAC eyebrow pencil in the shade Spiked. When I do my brows, I start in the inner corner of them and slowly work my way to the outer part of my brows. I'm always using a very light hand when I do this part. When doing your brows, it helps if you guys have a magnifying mirror right in front of you so you could see exactly what part of your brows need filling in. And I'm brushing as I go along. Now I'm going in with the NYX eyebrow gel in the shade Espresso to fill in the second half of my brows. Next, I am going in with concealer to sharpen my brows. This step is really good to do if you have not gotten your eyebrows done. The concealer that I'm using is MAC Studio Fix Paint Pot in the shade NC42. And I am outlining all my brows, then I am blending it in. Now I am setting my entire face with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Translucent. Next up, I am going in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. I am going to be applying this all under my eyes, the sides of my nose, and my forehead. And I'm blending it all in. I'm dragging the brush into my eyelids because the 90s makeup looks were really natural. They barely had any eyeshadow, so I'm just dealing with concealer, pretty much. To set that concealer, I am going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Translucent and applying it everywhere I applied my LA Girl concealer. Whoa, I put too much. Oh well, the show must go on. I actually forgot to put my lip conditioner on before I started this entire makeup look, so I'm doing it now. This lip conditioner is by MAC. Now I'm brushing away all the powder. Next up, I am going in with the LA Colors contour palette. I will be using this shade right here to contour my nose. Then I'm blending that in with my fingers. Now I am going in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the shade Natural to apply all over my face. I noticed 90s makeup looks had a lot of powder on their face. So I'm just trying to do this look justice. I'm just trying to do it right. I'm trying to get it right. Here I'm using my NYX eyeliner pencil in the shade Dark Brown to line my eyes. Then I am going in with L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara for my top and bottom lashes. Next, I am using this e.l.f. 4 Quad Blush Palette, and I'll be using that coral shade that you see me pointing at to apply on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm blending this whole makeup look with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to give my face an even more powdered look. Lastly, I'll be using a MAC lip liner and lipstick. The lip liner is called Subculture and the lipstick is called Luster. I'm just lining my lips, slightly coloring them in, and going in with my lipstick. I decided to go in with another MAC lipstick that I have on top of the previous one that I used because I wasn't liking how it was coming out. So the second lipstick that I am using is called Japanese Maple. And voila, we are finished. So this is the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. You are greatly appreciated. If you guys have any particular looks that you would like to see, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you want. Do you want 80s looks, 70s looks, 20s looks, hair and outfit and makeup, 60s, 2000s? I will gladly grant your requests, so do not hesitate to comment down below. Until next time, I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Later, guys. Oh, oh, oh.